Today I'm going to be showing how to add a safe mode option to Windows 10 when your computer is restarting. So if you're restarting your computer and you would like the option to boot into safe mode, this tutorial is for you. So we're going to head it over to our start menu and we're going to right click on the start button. And then we're going to left click on command prompt admin. Left click on yes if you receive a user account control pop-up. Now what you want to do is type in BCDEDIT space / copy. Now curly brackets current. Now with curly brackets you want to type in current, capital CURRENT. Only the C should be capitalized, and then do an end bracket. Then we'll do another space / lowercase d. Now you want to do a quotation mark and type in safe mode with a space in between, doesn't really matter, and then do an end parenthesis and then hit enter. We can see the entry was successfully copied, so we can close out of here and now go back over to start button, right click on it and then left click on run. Now you want to type in msconfig, all lowercase, msconfig, and then hit enter or OK with your mouse. Now you want to go to the boot tab. Now we see we have another option underneath Windows 10 that says safe mode. We just created this. So what we want to do is checkmark safe boot underneath the boot options section under here. So underneath boot options we have a few choices here. If we select minimal, it'll link us to a basic safe mode. If we select alternate shell, it'll create a safe mode with a command prompt. Or if we select network, it'll give us safe mode of networking. So it's really up to you what you want to select here, but I'm just going to choose minimal just for the sake of this tutorial. Under timeout, select how many seconds you want it to appear on the screen before it boots into Windows 10 by default. So I'd recommend anywhere between 15 and 30 seconds. Just for the sake of this review, I'm going to do 15 seconds. And then you want to check mark this box that says make all boot settings permanent. So check mark on that, and then left click apply. And then when you receive this pop-up, select yes, and then left click on OK to get out of this window. You'll receive a little notification telling you to restart the computer to save changes. I am going to restart the computer just to show you guys exactly what to expect. We're writing in safe mode in the command prompt in between the two parentheses that we are allowed to type in whatever you want. I just choose safe mode because it's the easiest thing to remember. So now we see that there is an option to go into safe mode. So let's say we wanted to boot into safe mode. We just use our little mouse cursor and click on safe mode and hit enter. And it'll launch the Windows 10 safe mode. So I hope this tutorial helped you guys out, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.